In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date of the content in Meta Business Suite. If you need to update the published date on an existing post, Meta Business Suite gives you a way to do that directly from the content area. This can be helpful when you're organizing older posts, correcting a date, or making sure your content timeline appears the way you want. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to the content section. This is where you can view and manage your posts, including content that has already been published. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct page or account if you manage more than one. Next, use the filters to narrow down the content you want to work with. Filters are useful because they help you find a specific post faster, especially if you have a large library of content. Depending on what appears in your account, you may be able to filter by status, platform, date range, or other post details. The goal here is simply to locate the exact piece of content whose date you want to change. After you find the correct post, click on the three-dot menu associated with that content item. This menu usually contains additional actions and management options for the post. If you don't see it right away, hover over the post area and look carefully near the edge of the postcard or row. From that menu, click on Manage Post. This opens the set of options available for that specific piece of content. Once the management panel or menu appears, look for the option labeled Change Date and select it. Now, set the date you want. A date selector should appear, allowing you to choose the new date for the post. Be careful here and double check the month, day, and year before continuing. Taking an extra second now can save you from having to repeat the process later. Once you've chosen the correct date, click on Backdate to confirm the change. This final step applies the updated date to the content, and that's it. You've successfully changed the date of a post in Meta Business Suite. If you're updating multiple posts, just repeat the same process for each one. Always review the post after making the change so you can confirm everything looks correct. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.